Ever wondered how much it actually costs to power your business with Lightspeed? You're not alone. Pricing pages can be confusing. Sales reps sometimes speak a different language, and hidden fees can feel like a nasty surprise. So, if you're scratching your head trying to figure out the real cost of Lightspeed, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're breaking down Lightspeed pricing, demystifying the different plans, and helping you understand exactly what you're paying for, and more importantly, what you're not paying for. Lightspeed is a popular point-of-sale, POS, and e-commerce platform, especially known for its robust features tailored for retail, restaurants, and golf businesses. It's a powerful system, but that power comes at a cost. And that cost, as you've probably discovered, isn't always crystal clear. Many businesses find themselves asking, is Lightspeed worth the investment? And a huge part of that answer depends on understanding the pricing structure. Before we dive into the numbers, it's crucial to understand that Lightspeed's pricing isn't one-size-fits-all. It's tiered, meaning you pay for the features you need. This is great for customization, but it also means the price can vary significantly depending on your business type, size, and specific requirements. A small boutique clothing store will have very different needs than a bustling multi-location restaurant, and Lightspeed's pricing reflects that. So, let's break down the core elements that influence Lightspeed's cost. First, you have the subscription fee. This is your recurring payment, usually monthly, that grants you access to the Lightspeed software and its basic functionalities. This fee varies depending on the specific Lightspeed product you choose: retail, restaurant, or golf. Each of these is designed with industry-specific features, and their starting prices reflect that specialization. Then you have transaction fees. These are charged per transaction processed through Lightspeed payments, their integrated payment processing system. This is where things can get a little tricky. The transaction fee typically includes the interchange fee, what goes to the credit card companies, the assessment fee, to the card networks like Visa and MasterCard, and Lightspeed's own processing fee. The rate you pay depends on several factors, including the type of card used, debit, credit, rewards cards, how the transaction is processed, in person, online, and your monthly sales volume. It's essential to understand these fees, as they can significantly impact your overall cost. Negotiating these rates is sometimes possible, especially for high-volume businesses. Beyond the subscription and transaction fees, there are other potential costs to consider. These include hardware costs. Lightspeed is a software platform, but you'll likely need hardware to run it, such as iPads, receipt printers, barcode scanners, and cash drawers. You can often purchase this hardware directly from Lightspeed, or you can source it yourself. Keep in mind that compatibility is key, so it's always best to check with Lightspeed to ensure any third-party hardware will work seamlessly with their system. Another potential expense is implementation and training. Getting your Lightspeed system up and running smoothly requires setup, configuration, and training for your staff. Lightspeed offers various onboarding options, some of which may involve additional costs. While you might be tempted to skip professional training, investing in it upfront can save you time and headaches in the long run. A well-trained team will be able to utilize the system effectively, maximizing its benefits and minimizing errors. Integrations are another factor that can influence your Lightspeed cost. Lightspeed integrates with a wide range of third-party apps and services, such as accounting software, email marketing platforms, and loyalty programs. While these integrations can extend the functionality of Lightspeed, many of them come with their own subscription fees. So, if you rely on several integrations, be sure to factor those costs into your overall budget. Finally, customer support can sometimes incur costs. While Lightspeed offers various support channels, some premium support options might require a fee. It's worth understanding what level of support is included in your subscription and what additional support options are available, should you need them. Now, let's talk specifics. While I can't give you exact pricing numbers, as those can change and are tailored to each business, I can give you a general idea of what to expect. Lightspeed Retail, their most popular product, typically starts at a certain monthly fee for a basic plan. This plan usually includes essential features like sales processing, inventory management, and customer management. As you move up to higher tiers, you gain access to more advanced features, such as multi-location management, advanced reporting, and e-commerce integrations. The price, of course, increases with each tier. Lightspeed Restaurant follows a similar tiered pricing structure, with different plans catering to different types of restaurants, from quick-service cafes to full-service fine dining establishments. The pricing will vary based on the features you need, such as table management, online ordering, and kitchen display systems. Lightspeed Golf also has its own pricing structure, designed to meet the specific needs of golf courses and pro shops. This product typically includes features like tee time booking, membership management, and pro shop sales. So, how do you get an accurate price quote for your business? The best way is to contact Lightspeed directly. Their sales team will work with you to understand your specific needs and provide a customized quote. Be prepared to answer questions about your business type, size, sales volume, and required features. The more information you can provide, the more accurate your quote will be. Don't hesitate to ask questions about anything you don't understand. Remember, you're making a significant investment in your business, so it's crucial to have a clear understanding of the costs involved. Ask about transaction fees, hardware costs, implementation fees, and any other potential expenses. Don't be afraid to negotiate, especially if you're a high-volume business. And remember, price isn't the only factor to consider. While cost is important, it's equally important to choose a POS system that meets your business needs. Consider the features, functionality, and user experience. A cheaper system might seem appealing upfront, but it could end up costing you more in the long run if it doesn't provide the tools you need to run your business efficiently. Choosing the right POS system is a big decision. Take your time, do your research, and compare different options. Don't rush into a decision based solely on price. Consider the long-term value and how the system will help you grow your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.